Yo, check it out, baby girl, I got a plan. I'll take you to the beach, lay you down in the sand. Rub some baby oil on you, you can get a tan. Then we can hit the ball, walk and walk, holding hands. Run up in the casino and blow a couple grands. See, I don't want it all I want is a chance. Talk is cheap, so I want you to understand that I'm not like the other guys that say what they can. I do what I say, cause I'm a bona fide man. And you's a bad bitch, so baby girl, I'm going in, I'm going hard on you. Take you to the VIP lane. At the 40-40 club, we'll get the bottles poured in. You see, I beat it up until you come in. Fucking with my style, now you know you running. On my lifeline team, getting checks all day. Now you getting sex in the motor hallway. Hot shit, when I spit, I'ma flip real fast. Getting cash, and you know I'm about the 100-yard dash. Up the stakes, you can't trust me, though. Can't replace me, ho. Getting crazy, though. What you think they fucking pay me for? Hot shit, when I spit all the time, and I switch off the written, so I'm just dropping rhymes. Then you know what's forbidden off the style, committing crime. All you niggas be snitching, dropping dimes, crossing thin line. The gun line kicking on the microphone. Now you know you niggas kicking it. Man, cause I be living it. The clock go crazy, getting shot with your lady. Man, you might be crazy, talking shit with your baby. When we rolling in the bourbon, niggas they never learning, niggas churning, but they still be waiting for their burning. Patiently waiting though, you know I'm getting cash on the slow road, grinding it. I don't give a fuck because you know we rewinding it. Now got you digging it. Lifeline team, yeah, Diggy still kicking it, believing that I'ma get this motherfucking mountain of money. Ain't nothing funny, you niggas just living bummy. My styles, and my steez. Rest the bitch to my mom Louise. I'm still doing down, then I get on my knees when I pray, so I could just live to see another fucking day. When you talk about what you say, watch when you walk my way. You don't know me, I don't play, I don't come in the day. Motherfucker, you can listen what I say. I'm a hype, but I'm cool and I'm calm. Might be on the move, I might be on my thoughts, on my mind. So I flip, I'm free, my style, it's just me, it's what you see. A to the T, D-I-double-G, he reppin' what? South New Jersey, that be CMD. You, if you worthy, come and serve me. That's a bit of me, never be a starter key. Can't start a G if you niggas talk shit. Can't get rid of me. Hot shit a bit of me. Fuck it when I freestyle on the microphone, man. You see me on TV, bout YouTube flow. Hot shit still on the mic, I'm getting dope. Crap like crow. Whoa, stop. All you niggas talk, but you don't take it to the top. The reason why I rock, cause I'm never gonna stop. You niggas talking drip, then you drop. You all flip flop, also flipper. On the microphone, sipping liquor. You niggas talking shit, can't fuck with this nigga. Thinking that you bigger, getting money like you jigger, but you really talking shit, you's a wigger. Wanna be a nigga, hot shit I free. Nigga don't know all that alcohol in me. Burning out, sweating. I don't give a fuck, I keep it slicker till stepping. Now I flash my weapon, blast. Nigga talking shit, he never last. And I don't give a fuck, I'm sipping up on the flask. I stay up on my job, I'm rolling up with the mob. And y'all niggas talking shit and getting robbed. Diggity, my diggity, my diggity. You getting robbed by that diggy, can't get rid of me. Robbed by the diggity, no you can't get rid of me. Niggas talking shit and you know he be feeling me. Word, that's lifeline shit, kinetic thoughts for your motherfucking brain. Think I put shit together like connection, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Connects the checks, nigga. Yeah, word up, my own thoughts and words and shit. Make up my own shit, cause I can do that. You schmigga nigga heal me? You schmigga deal me?